Hello everyone, this is TechieBM and we are your friends. Today we are going to be talking about selfish and selflessness. First thing I want to say is selfish people are poor and selfless people are wealthy. Take this down. Selfish people are poor while selfless people are wealthy. Selfish people think about themselves, about their family, and that's all. While selfless people think about themselves and every other person, how to better serve others. Like I said in one of our presentations, if you serve more people, you're going to get much more. Why if you serve just yourself and your family, you're going to get just for you and your family. Which you prefer to take? You prefer to be selfish, thinking just about yourself, or think about every other person, how to make every other person better and get wealthy? Pick one, choose one. It's up to you. It's up to you. The decision to be poor or rich, it's in your hands. It's for you to choose. Nobody's going to choose for you. I can't choose for you. TechieBM can't choose for you. No one can choose for you. You can only choose for yourself. You can either be selfish and build just your own house, or be selfless and go into real estate and build more houses or buy more houses for other people to rent and get paid at the end of the month. Bring money into your pocket. You can either be selfish and buy just your own car and ride to the office, or you can buy cars to help transport other people to the office while getting paid. So the choice is yours. Why the first will get poor and the other will get wealthy? Because in serving others you're getting much more into your pocket. It's up to you. You have to get selfless to get wealthy. So if you want to remain poor, you can keep up being selfish and thinking about yourself only. Why if you want to get wealthy, start thinking about others and how to better their lives. This is TechieBM and we are your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now and hit the bell icon. Please leave a comment below. Do have a nice day.